Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen since 3 days, it is trying to go upside and it has made a high of around 1.8627 as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, now it is trying to form a swing. You can say that this level has come after 2 weeks, as around we have seen this high on 12th of Feb, and now it has touched this particular high. So probability can be high that if the price sustain this level, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, but chances are high that still we have seen this low is being after a 4 years high. Okay, so this is the zone where the price is still moving. So as soon as the zone moves out of, that means it has to move above a level of around 1.9, then we can say there will be a trend reversal. Otherwise, if you look at this trend, overall trend downside, it has moved upside again for the fall. Okay, USD dollar again getting strengthened for this particular week. We have seen the USD index, dollar index has come down. I'll show you on the chart. Before that, you have to understand, if you are new to my channel, I'll tell you how the price of natural gas has moved, and just briefly that, see, it was moving in this range for quite 8-9 months, and then two highs it made of 3.5 and 3.6. And after pending board, what's happened that it was forming this particular pattern and making a new highs. Okay, and this new high, after making a new high, a fall was coming, was profit booking was coming, and then a swing was forming. Okay, until now we have not seen this level has come. If you look at this particular trend, it has made a low of around $1.6078. After that a swing has formed. Now it is from 3-4 days there is a continuous upside. I'll show you a dollar index also, where you will understand clearly how dollar index also, where you will understand how it is moving. See, for this particular week we have seen a red candle is forming. Okay, so till the time it is not moving above a level of around $104.250, okay, we will not see a further upside movement. Okay, because see, for the dollar index I am saying, so the natural gas price will fall down if the price started going up this level. Okay, because overall trend is upside for the dollar index, so chances can be high, further high we can see towards, look towards for this particular way. Okay, but if it started moving below this particular level, then we can see a further fall. Okay, so if the price started falling below a level of around $103.7, a further downfall we can see in the price of dollar index, which will create a rise in the natural gas prices. Let's see now. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now look at this particular chart. Chances are very high that if the price sustain this level, it can move towards a level of $1.8861, and this level is already being a weak resistance as it is already being tested. So chances are high it will cross that level, and from there it will go towards a level of around $1.9956. Okay, after this particular level it will cross a level of $1.9, and from there it will touch a level of $1.9956 after crossing a level of 1.8967, because this is a strong resistance which is already weak, and then it will touch this particular level, and then there's a probability it will go above a particular level of $1.9, and then there is a chances of touching $2.20267. And if the price started sustaining above that level, a further upside movement we can see. As soon as it started going above this level, we will see it will go towards $2.1467, which is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will go towards 2.3772. You have to keep it in mind that once started going above a level of $2, chances of going further upside we can see in the price of natural gas, and once started going off that particular zone, we can see it will cross a level of 2.3, and then a probability of touching a level of 2.5627, which is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high a further upside movement we can see towards a level of 2.7 and then further high. Okay, if the price started moving above $2, I'll make another video explaining you where it will go. Okay, now as I've already explained you that market is always uncertain. See, whatever I'm saying is not 100% right, or even 100%, nothing is right, okay, in this market. So always market is always uncertain. So what can save you from losses? Your SL. SL will save you. How? Because see, you have to put your SL as per the risk what you can take for a particular trade and for a particular day. Okay, so keep your SL as per that. This is what all I teach in my workshop also, where I teach how to set your SL. And once you started in profit, then try to trail your profit. If you're trailing your profit, you will not lose your capital and even your profit. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain, because see, if you look at the overall trend is downside, but see, you have seen green candles are forming, because see, market will not move sharp rise. It will hold for some time. That is how it goes upside. In the same way, it hold for some time. That is how it comes down. So if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards this next support coming at a level of $1.7713. Okay, if the price started falling below that particular level, a further downfall towards 1.7312. Once the price started moving below that particular zone, we will see it will go towards a level of around $1.6823. Okay, and if the price started falling below that particular zone, a further downfall we can see towards 1.6149. Okay, and if it started going below that particular zone, a further downfall we can see, because it was still in this zone, so we can see it will fall further down towards a level of around $1.6, and from there a probability of moving towards a level of around 1.5603. Okay, and if that level move further low, then a further downfall we can see towards $1.5237. Okay, and if it started moving below this particular zone, a further downfall we can see it below a level of 1.5. Okay, so then you can see this is an all-time low if it moves below a level of $1.267, and then we will see it can touch a level of 1.4 also, and then from there a 1.3 level also, and chances of moving further down will be there. Okay, because there will be an all-time high and there will be a zone breakout. So I'll make another video of the price fall below 1.5. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'm giving the mail IDs also.